Dear viewers and guys, Assalamu alaikum. I am Sheikh Hasib from Bangladesh, a neighboring country of India. Do you want to improve your channel? Do you increase your subscriber? Are you new at YouTube channel? Then this video is only for you. I will provide here only 3 tips. Number 1, comment this video. If you comment this video, I must subscribe you. And the all commenter, please subscribe each other for this time and future time. And you must comment other popular YouTube channel. Number 2, make all social media ID, Facebook, LinkedIn, Twitter, this type of blah blah blah, and join different types of social media group. Example: Bikers Association, social activists, freelance journalists, technical group, this type of, and you make friendship different types of people. Number 3, make all YouTube categories videos. If you make 25 or 30 different categories of videos, then you promote these videos different categories of social media group. Suppose if you make a religious video, then you share this video at religious platform. If you make a technical video, then you share this video to technical site. So if you follow this way, you must be able to make your video popular and viral. If I recap this: number 1, comment here. Number 2, social media ID. Number 3, make all YouTube categories video. Please, at last, don't forget to subscribe the channel and follow who are commenting here. Then please subscribe each other. Thank you very much.